Man trick with blood clot. The man said the end. The man come back for Uncle Demon and come back. Stupid. Yo. Now, family, come back hot. So, we not even gonna talk too long. I have to like, comment, share, subscribe. Family, drop a song for MASICKA birthday, name birthday. Bumbuckle. Come in.
Fixing business fee.
Alright. MASICKA man say you're a coward, you're a killer. You're a pretender.
Fixing business fee. And all who are key secret fee.
Alright, MASICKA. Now come for you.
From the marker box, so you turn either from.
Hold on. The mark of the box, MASICKA. Oh, we never hear about that. We hear them did have a little scrabble behind the stage our some face. So somebody comment down below me for tune, please, cause me don't know if the marker box MASICKA. Come on, they can't do that.
That me no see back top the nice gun idiot. Me know your style fi run out and run in back, plug out and plug in back. No goat is a sheep that come on.
Bumbuckle man say you're no goat, you're a sheep. You're a European. You're not Jamaican Rami out.
Oh feature me no need that. How the demon fi fear you know Jesus.
Yeah. Yo. I'm glad say man address that, you know. Because MASICKA said the man link him from prison for feature. And him never game because him a fool. MASICKA beat up a man, but the man say, yo, what kind of feature you have? But me never need that. And the man is right. Tammy didn't need feature. No. Man, I can do it by himself. Come on now.
Listen, I'm doing that.
The badness why you speak if you don't mean that.
Looking at the Glock and you will find hope. Catch around the table with a suicide note. Have a matic full of hollow pussy, you know.
Yo! Looking at the matic and you will find hope. And one time MASICKA look at the mirror and you will find hope. Alright. Man say catch her on the table with a suicide. What I'm saying? A suicide note. Come again.
Got shock up in your mama like two of them.
I'm looking like scope, shut up pretty nine dome. Unfeared up.
Yo, MASICKA come with a song. 2 songs the MASICKA sing was like 5-6 minutes each. MASICKA come with different flow. Near Tamil shut the flow them. Take in, listen keenly.
Make you look like crew.
You a crooks, so you a go kill him as kid the pyro.
Let me tell you what me find out.
You're no killer, you're a coward.
Fixing business fee.
Run for like, comment, share, subscribe. You're no killer, you're a coward.
Gonna go in 16 dream.
Hey!
With 316.
Hey! You're no killer, you're a coward.
Fixing
what is
business
this?
fee.
Hold on! Hold on, they owe me something in our work. Hold on, they're stuck. Blows and street, they're stuck. Come in!
So all who a keep secret fee. So them bad must see dream.
What was that?
If you are the Billy Goat, I mean I go kill it. My murder I no kill it sport. Artist I me kill him out. Anybody swell up on your brain bullet a pick it out. I nothing but a mosquito was fighting when him see the smoke. Listen me no silly Billy Copper, I no silly cone. Rifle with the beam a tape.
Nothing but a mosquito we fly with him see the smoke. Listen, me no skilly Billy Bob.
Arena got a major bone. Talk about you rich and you not have a thing on me not own. Mothers I go bring her home, me lady like a kidney stone. MASICKA, you're not a killer. Chop a ziggy, left your on the ground and crawl like a caterpillar. From your this the teacher man, we fully up a copper for that. Shut a snap your neck like me, a snap a picture. I one flow you living now, you're afraid of property tax.
Yo! Round of applause. Round of applause, the clash nice. MASICKA, you have to answer, cause me now like the last song MASICKA sing me, I say, yo, family, you have to come strong, and the man come back so you fuck.
Well, no say you nobody no fish at a nigga. Send a liquor killer, figure killer in a you habitat. I coulda carbon on the automatic sticker. No care what caliber. They say you want a war, me send a guy go set them up and wet them up like water wall. Cannot be the king, cause you no know we close to Gaza bars. Look how this and the real get murdered by the Sparta bars. You a coward, cause you afraid for what the Sparta bars.
What the fuck?
Youth! Come here! Go back! Because we're going to draw Alkaline at this clash, you know. I mean, Alkaline come to this clash before we start. Yeah.
Go set them up and wet them up like water.
What a war!
Cannot be the king, cause you no know we close to Gaza bars. Look how this and the real get murdered by the Sparta bars. You a coward,
what are you doing? Don't climb and say you're a coward cause you're afraid for war the brother bars. Alkaline get pulled in a war. Yo! You war with that sweet if Alkaline come in, you know? Yo, you war with that sweet, you know, cause Tamili don't like Alkaline don't like Tamili. MASICKA don't like Alkaline don't like... Yo! It'll be 3 man. 3 man against the one there. Yo, that tough.
Me and your body say banana. Him saying son right in my gut tongue for shine for the fall. Remember you new to this and even know the art of war. You are gonna die. Yo, MASICKA, it's your birthday. Me a go murder you.
Yeah, bro.
Me a go slaughter you on your birthday. Me no give a fuck, it's your birthday.
Yo, and don't play my bomb buckle at that system. Yo! Don't play the man them. 2 man is full of flow. Oh, I'm 2 no. Me tell you this already, you know. There's only 3, not just 3, but the 3 main man when me that say in the dance they're full of flow. I down here, Cartel, Tommy Lee, and you can't forget Chronicler. Full of flow. Come again. No man, you have to go back yourself.
On your birthday.
I have to come back yourself.
Remember you new to this and even know the art of war. You are gonna die. Yo, MASICKA, it's your birthday. Me a go murder you on your birthday. Me a go slaughter you on your birthday.
Come again.
You walk away cause you're free for the birthday.
What about?
You never cry me on your body say banana. Him saying son right in my gut tongue for shine for the fall. Remember you new to this and even know the art of war. You are gonna die.
What me say what?
MASICKA,
It's your birthday. We are gonna murder you on your birthday.
Your birthday, me a go slaughter you
On your birthday. And we don't give a fuck if it's your birthday. Yo! It was hot. Come in.
Take that now, pussy.
Hold on, there we go.
Even this increase, boy.
Man trick with blood clot. The man said the end. The man go back for Uncle Demon and come back.
Them go wake up the beast. Fuck.
Wake up the beast.
Fuck the police. Every demon me unleash. High power gun pan repeat. And any boy feel like them bad and them strong. I am a atomic ticking time bomb. I don't have to suck no pussy figure down like the Amazon River. Your blood a go run. Don't need military if you do my kind of fight. When the dust develop me say like I feel like. Anywhere we genocide. Coulda the church a preach past book. At least me dep on all type of pints. You feel
I'm proud I too dog them. And the Christmas didn't need this. I'm happy.
and your friend still a look taxi right. And you know about bumbo clock this type of life. Happy you gonna lick shot you like a rice bar. Splash out a eye brace, splash out a mine. Family come on them.
Bumbo clock, the man buried MASICKA. The video idea tough. Anybody do that video? You need your own trophy. Get the dog an editing trophy right now. Come in.
That's a 6 minute what that quote song there was.
Yeah.
Come on, bro, stop playing, bro. Keep on my cap, the building a collapse, me come back, the rifle beam up, you like me come from.
Yo, man, turn over here, you know. When Tommy turn over here, you know, say I did, you know. When Tommy turn over them here, you know, say I did Uncle Demon come, you know. Alright.
Type of team, camouflage, come back. Me dark, me evil, and me kill fi comfort. When I really see your pants, got a feeling up in that. We let them a cap it, pull it, take your body fat. Oh, if you DM me, then we should come back. And your evidence stay in a crocodile goat. In a crocodile goat. All your pussy in a crocodile goat.
Don't feel like, comment, share, subscribe. Like for more.
Pussy, you call me Sunday, I'm hope you're dead, but the kids them catch AIDS and die from cancer. You know, see my leave like a flanker. The rifle them breeze, me not above fab. Hey, when they squeeze, they can't recover. It tight to century, they can't take over. The rifle's entry. That's kinda who's that? Who next? What? You know you're just.
Alright. Make it come right. Hold on. Pause it. No. First and foremost, let me say this. If I pause the video, it's because YouTube copyright our reactions, because the music is not we can't consider it fair play because the production team doesn't pass it. Okay, some do, some don't. So sometimes we just pause the video just to kind of lessen the headache when it comes to uploading. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Remember, bad publicity is the best publicity in this society, unfortunately. Not something that we should normalize, but that's just the truth. Alright? No. MASICKA song, give it a 10 out of 10. We give this a 10 out of 10 too. Now, when we review the song, them, one of my hear me say certain things, and that's because it creates a negative realm around what I am doing. And again, bad publicity is the best publicity. So if MASICKA drop a song or Tamil drop a song, I'm saying, no, this is not ready. People are going to gravitate to it and say, no, you're biased. You're there on one side. No, that's not it. Yes, the song them tough. I'm not going to lie to you. From the man them a drop song, tough. Destroyer tough. VN tough. Tears tough. And Birthday tough. I'm not going to lie. This 4 songs them the man them drop for say clash, it tough. What I don't like is them take a little time to drop the song them still. But make it, I understand them I keep in suspense. But I really appreciate the two dog them for how them come. Now, Tamil Alkaline, not a Alkaline, say, I could them draw Alkaline now war. MASICKA say in him song, say, him can't hear Tamil, him there listen how long and can't understand what I say. Now, Tamil come with clarity, flows, and we all know Tamil full of flow. Tamil came with the same mentality of MASICKA. Because MASICKA last song, full of flow, and it have clarity, I'm not gonna lie. MASICKA surprised me because what I was worried about with MASICKA is the fact that MASICKA was going to come on the clash with one flow. Don't you know the one bad rough voice gun flow, but MASICKA surprised me with the second song, Tears. And Vane was very good as well. But however, the war just start. And I love clash because that show the versatility of the artist them and how them can put together lyrics, flow, rhyme and all of that. You see me? No, the punchline them, I love it. MASICKA full of punchline. Tamil full of punchline. You see me? Tamil have a alter ego with them call Uncle D man. So if you see Tamil turn that on, but up D man still. But if you see Tamil turn that on and come out and I show we say, yo, listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flow, can't deny that, bro. 2 song them, 10 out of 10. To tell you the truth, dog, I don't even know who in second round. So comment down below for me and let me know who you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Soon my next one.